Mr. Fitzy and Amelia's drawing show. Bust out your crayons, come on, let's go. Mr. Fitzy and Amelia's drawing show. Time to let your imagination flow. Get ready, get set, let's go, go, go.
Hi, welcome back to the Mr. Fitzy and Amelia's Drawing Art Show. This, anybody know the artist?
Bingo.
Very good.
Probably see it. Like,
Yes.
somewhere. Like, up there.
Van Gogh Museum online. Go with your family. And it's a window. So that's what I think we're going to think about. All those days watching from the windows. From Tangled. I see the light.
I
So,
glued my little sun that I made on here, and now I lost the cap to the glue stick.
that is an occupational hazard in the art room.
Oh, found it.
Ah, good. Always pick up your
I had to go
supplies.
under the table to get the cap.
That works. Okay, so here's our lighthouse that we finished in. We still have to do some shading on the people. So the light connects to that next drawing. And I have a sketch. Let me show you the sketch that I have on there. You can see we have a couch in there. We have, I think that's Amelia, on the couch waving outside
No.
to visitors.
That's Mama. That's me. That's Ellie, and that's you.
Okay, yeah, you're probably right.
Hmm.
But we have these sidewalk visits, driveway visits, and I thought that would be a perfect
Perfect.
thing to draw about because windows are always big to artists, and you can find many examples.
You can do it this way for the window or the other way.
Yeah, now in my
This
sketchbook,
way.
I did mine vertical, and then what's the other way called? Do you know?
Horizontal.
Horizontal, very good. All right, so what do you think, Amelia? I'm thinking
I'm gonna do mine this way.
you're going
For
to do
the sun
yours
to be-
which way? Use the right word.
Right here.
Is that horizontal or vertical?
And
Oh,
oh,
you have more to share?
I need to watercolor this for school.
Yes, this is her art assignment for school where she's doing a portrait. And who are you learning about?
Cubism.
Cubism. That's an art movement, and Picasso, his three musicians.
And
I'll
then
talk
I'll put this
more about
without
Cubism
watercolor.
in an upcoming episode. So, I'm going to do mine vertical. I'm going to stick with my sketch.
Should we
So
do...
the first thing I want to make, that's okay.
Maybe in the next episode after this one,
No hints.
we can do watercolor this. Maybe.
Do a painting one.
And you will do your watercolor of that, but I would do my watercolor of my school.
Oh, to paint or paint your school? That's a great idea for an upcoming episode.
No, like paint the school like homework.
Oh,
like
you'll
homework.
finish your homework of Cubism, three musicians. We'll talk more about Cubism. Yeah, that's just where I'm going. Okay, so I'm going to make a rectangle for my window.
Press it down. I was
Now, to
hoping
make straight lines without a ruler, I go slowly. Your window could be square.
Can I use this tip?
Yeah, you can use that too.
No, I want to.
And next,
This is gonna be a big
I'm
one.
going to show you how to do the couch. Let's locate the couch. So first I'll put, I think I need a different black.
You should do this one.
I can work with this.
No, this one. Look at this.
All right, here. There we go. I thought you were using that one, though.
No.
Okay.
I want to do
All right.
this one. Put in there.
So I'm putting the
have
head
you
for
seen
Mommy.
a
She's
good
on the
caddy?
couch. Oh, yeah, there's
We
our
made
caddy.
this caddy. I put the handle there.
Yeah, she did a good job helping
There's
keep our
this
markers
tape.
organized.
And I put some glue sticks. Oh.
And that's part of our e-learning is set up and organize your studio. Okay, can you scooch that over to the side so we can get back to the drawing? Thank you.
I just...
Okay,
Nobody can see my drawing.
so then first I drew the head of Mommy in the profile position. So turning sideways. And then I'll do her arms. And she's going to be waving. And make sure we can see her hand out the window there. She's a little bit below the window.
It looks like she's in the window. She's outside and inside.
She's outside and inside. Here we go. This is a perfect day for my Bob Ross. He was a television, and you might see him. Shows are still on TV sometimes. Just happy accidents, no mistakes. So I've just made a mistake. It doesn't look like she can see out the window completely. So I'm going to do another window.
Wait, another window?
Make the window bigger.
We made 2 windows? But we don't have that.
Well,
That kind of looks like a giant TV, and we're on the TV.
how about I do this? Then this is going to be the house across the street out next door. Because that was in my sketch too. So now, and then we put the frame for the window.
It really
and the
looks
curtains.
like that house is like attached to our house. Like that's a shed.
Put some curtains on the side of the windows.
I need to get to walk. I'm not even doing anything.
Well, you're helping me, so that's good too. There's my curtain rod. Okay. Now it looks more like you can see her face in the window, and that's important. This is going to be the sidewalk, and we can put the tops of the bushes. There she is, smiling, waving. Looking pretty good. Now I'm going to divide up the panes of glass. So that's like a big plus. Or 4 squarish kind of a shapes in there. We got somebody walking. Maybe it's Ellie. I don't know.
Well, that could be Ellie. And
Maybe
that
it's some of our friends, or put her nose on there.
That
Sometimes.
looks like they're just holding a triangle.
Sometimes people are wearing masks, bandanas when they go out, so I'm going to put bandanas on these people who are visiting. Maybe that's Grandma Barbara, and that's us out there visiting out the window. There we go.
And I don't think Grandma Barbara would visit us. We would visit her.
No, she's older. That's my mom. And, yeah, Grandma Fitzgerald is staying at home safe right now. And we're staying at home safe, too. Everybody's staying at home safe. It's the staying at home safe time. I like lots of hearts in my pictures now. So I'm going to put a heart on the house across the street like I did in my sketch. How do you make what?
How do you make the couch?
How do you make the couch? Yes, thank you. You keep me on track. That's a good thing. I said that a minute ago, or a couple minutes ago, but yet I started with Mommy.
I don't think you even said that.
I didn't say that? Well, we'll go back. We'll check the tape. Oh, by the way, in the last episode, Lighthouse Keepers, the answer was Van Gogh. Van Gogh, that's who we were looking for. I did my background stormy and swirly.
I think you already
like
said this
Starry
in the last
Night.
episode.
Well, if I didn't, then you're following along at home. Okay, curved top for the couch. At the end, another curve. Like that. I like to kind of put my person all the way on the couch. Legs coming down. There we go. And another curve like that. Now does it start to look like a couch?
Wait, I didn't. Oh, wow.
Did you see that? You want me? I got more cushions to do.
Really quick, I can.
Sort of like a semicircle, right? Yeah, and then more of a taller, more narrow kind of a semicircle. Ooh, nice. And your couch can have different shapes. Wait till you see Amelia's. It's looking great. Okay. A lot of times when I do a bigger piece based on a smaller sketch, you may kind of zoom in. I don't know why that is. I think artists naturally do that. So I may not have but I may not have room to put everything in my sketch in my bigger drawing. But we'll see how far I get. Okay. Also, you can kind of change things around. In our house, we have piano. Ellie and Amelia take piano lessons, and virtually now. And
I don't think Ellie is really taking piano lessons, like in 1 year. And in 1 year.
and she's taking piano lessons with you.
But now,
Oh,
in a couple years, she's not gonna do it.
well, I don't know. Hopefully she sticks with it. I think she enjoys it. It's a good way. Making art, whether it's making music or making drawings, is a good way to reduce our stress. Keep breathing and make art. All right. So, that was a lamp. You probably saw that if you've been following along. And now let's have, since this family's out on a walk, they can be holding hands. Since they're in the same family. Boy, I'm glad I wore this shirt. Another happy accident. I put myself right where my face is being blocked by the window pane. So, I'm going to turn my head sideways. It might be a goofy look.
Your head is sideways. Your head is sideways.
But at least...
You look like you're getting cut off by the window.
But do I look like I'm turning in that? Looking? Oh, yeah.
No, it looks
Fixed
like
it.
your head is getting cut off by the window.
Oh, well, if I put in a little bit of lines, maybe for the wood grain of the panels of the window, I think it'll look less like that. Okay, let's draw in the sidewalk there.
I'm going to color it wood.
Okay. You're coloring it wood color? That works.
Because it really looks like wood now.
Yeah. Okay. I'm going to do
I didn't even do my curtains.
behind.
Looking at it.
Let's see, that's in the window frame. Behind this house, I'm going to put another semicircle for rays of the setting sun. It's maybe a little bit hard to tell what that is, and that's going to be clearer once we color it in. So I got two people, and then let's put that could be good. And this will be like our visit when we went and visited Grandma Barbara in the backyard when she was up on the deck, far away from us. Okay. Now, patterns. Patterns are so great. So the way to make this couch look really great is to put some patterns in there. I'm doing some wavy lines for the arms of the couch. I love how couches have arms, just like people have arms. Couches have legs, tables have legs. Buildings have faces.
Wait, buildings have faces?
Yeah, the front of the building you can call the face of the building. Okay. Oh, I liked this. Something I can still fit in on my sketch is a little car.
Oh, I didn't realize that you had a car.
It's actually not a little car, but it's just a car parked across the street. So it appears smaller than it actually is. Okay. We had some technical difficulties there. We were not filming. So, couch. I put some flowers on the couch. Here, let's move this out of the way. Oh, so we can see yours. Okay, hold on. Now, we changed some of the arms of the people in the sidewalk visit, and they're blowing kisses. That's why we have floating lips. And we put it all together, and I think it's looking pretty good. Getting back to that little car across the street, we finished that up. And we will color this for tomorrow. Thank you for having a little virtual visit with Mr. Fitzy, and now's the time you say your name.
Oh, that's why you were holding me.
Okay, now
Hold up your drawings and
here, let me hold the magic eye.
mine. That's
Ooh.
me. That's the sun.
Now, how did you make the sun? I don't think we ever went into that. You can just tell us.
I'm gonna go.
All right,
get
you're going
my
to demonstrate?
ears.
Demonstrating's always good. Art teacher trick.
I
He's got good
used
instincts.
a cupcake liner and then cut all around here.
Ask
then-
permission from your family before you cut up all the cupcake liners if you have some in your house.
You didn't do that.
Well, we're okay. We have enough, but I'm just saying.
We have
For kids at home, always get permission before you turn
We
things
have, like,
into art supplies.
30 cupcake liners.
I know.
Like 100.
And it made an absolutely perfect sun. So let's show. All right, now come on over, Amelia, and talk about your
I don't
picture.
know what else is in there. Okay. Couch, sun, window, shades. Wait.
That looks maybe like the glass, some of the light reflecting off the glass.
No. Like the pink.
Oh, yeah.
What is that?
Curtains.
Oh.
Curtains, shades works. Now,
And me.
Are you going to draw people outside on the sidewalk?
No.
No?
No.
You're just looking out your window at the bright sunny day.
No.
That's okay, too.
I'm just sitting on the couch backward.
Okay. Well, thank you.
No hints.
Oh, I don't think they heard. You're going to have to come over and stop it.
No hints.
You heard her. Tomorrow, I'm going to do...
No hints.
Mr. Fitzy and Amelia's drawing show. Bust out your crayons, come on, let's go. Mr. Fitzy and Amelia's drawing show. Time to let your imagination flow. Get ready, get set, let's go, go, go.